Shopify website on-page SEO tutorial. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you're going to be increasing your on-page website SEO. Now, if you don't know what SEO is, SEO is your search engine optimization, and SEO is what helps you in improving your keyword balance and getting users to actually click on your link. Okay, so the better your SEO is, the better the number of users are going to be on your website. And obviously, SEO relates to your keywords, your performance, and your general reach analysis. Okay, and obviously, to make it better on your on page, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and use a few third party softwares. Now, when you're in Shopify, here you can find the marketing section that you can help yourself to market your main Shopify store or your Shopify page. Now, this will help you by creating some, different campaigns and automations for yourself, but this will not help you when it comes to SEO because SEO is something totally different. SEO is something that Shopify has left for its users to do for themselves because obviously to get in better keywords and to get in better performances and reach for your page, you are going to want to add better keyword titlings. You're going to need to add products that are less in competition but have high demand and a lot more. So, to do that for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using some third party providers. So, the first third party provider that I would like to take you to is Google Ads. Now, I'm sure most of you have heard of Google Ads, and you're probably wondering how will Google Ads help us in our SEO? Now, when it comes to search engine optimization, keyword is the topmost thing, and the best way to get a good keyword out is through Google Ads. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to Tools, and in Tools, you're going to have the Keyword Planner. Now, when you come over to the Keyword Planner here, you can come over to Discover New Words and get keyword ideas that can help you reach people interested in your product or service. So let's say I'm going to click over to this. Now, once you do this, you're going to go ahead and enter any product or service, okay, that you can find keywords for. So let's say I run an e-commerce store for, let's go ahead with electronics, all right, or toys. So I'm going to search up toys. And now you're simply going to click on get results. And according to this one keyword, as you can see, you get all of these different search results over here, right? So for toys, we have the basic keyword toy, which has an average monthly search of around 100,000 to a million with a lot of high competition. Now, obviously, that is the, accepted or the, consumed response. Now, if you want to go ahead and see which of these keywords have a low competition, you're going to toggle this up. So I'm going to change this. And as you can see, this gives us the different comparisons. Now, right here, you can see it gives us this set. So we have these different ones over here like Zoobles. Okay. Now, Zoobles has a low competitor rate. The competitors are really low, but it has around 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches. Now, that is a pretty good number. It's a very good number to match up with or to work up with. So you can actually go ahead and start, researching on these words like rebrickable. So as you can see, rebrickable is a toy module that you can get, or we can go with Zoobles. Okay, so we search up Zoobles over here. So, just like this, you can find out toys that people actually want but have a low competition of. So let's say I'm going to stick with Zoobles for now. All right. Now, what you're going to want to do from here on out is you're going to find a, you could say, Amazon or AliExpress product variant for Zoobles. So let's say I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write in Zoobles AliExpress. All right. Now, if AliExpress sells Zoobles, what you can do is you can take off the page and you can copy its link and you can pretty much go ahead and paste it in your very own, platform. So let me tell you what I'm actually talking about. So you can either search up Zoobles or you can go with Rebrickables. Okay. So let's say I'm going to go with the Rebrickable over here, right? Now, you can see there's tons and tons of different variations that I get. And obviously, you don't only need to go to AliExpress, you can go over to Amazon.com as well, where you can find these different products with different ranges for yourself. So let's say right here, I'm going to write in Zoobles. Okay, and once we've added in Zoobles, here are our Zooble kits. So what you're going to do is, let's say I want to sell this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, copy the link for this. We're going to come over here to any platform that does research for us. So in my case, I'm going to be using Page Pilot. Okay, so Page Pilot is an AI platform that allows you to create high converting product pages in seconds, and it boosts your sales. And this one specifically is especially for Shopify. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an account with it. It's really simple. It's totally free and you can do it with great ease. And once you've done that, what you're going to do over here is we're going to click on generate. Now, once you click on generate, apply the code that we've gotten and click on generate product page, and we're going to let it load. And obviously, while it loads, you can use these different keywords to go ahead and research more and more on the less competition that you have. And obviously, to get an on-page SEO, let me show you what you're going to do. First of all, we're going to be creating a product for ourselves. So we're going to click on add products, and whatever product name this gives us, we're going to basically add that for ourselves. All right. So let this load up, and it shouldn't take a lot of time. Maximum would be 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. And you can see I have done this for previous products as well, where, these products from AliExpress and Amazon, these were low in selling and it had pretty low competition. And I thought that it would be a good idea to go ahead, generate some product pages for these for myself and sell them on my store. Now, right over here, as you can see, we have the product page created. So we have this littlest pet safari adventure set. So we can call it Zoobles Pet Safari Adventure Set. Now, obviously, we're calling it Zoobles because that is the low competition keyword. So I'm going to go with Zoobles Pet Safari Toy Set. Okay, we're going to call it that. Then obviously in the description, you're going to provide the description that they give you. So I'm going to add this in. Okay, copy that, bring it right here, and you are simply going to go ahead and paste it in this section. Now, once this is done, what you're going to do from here on out is you're going to upload the image for Zooble. So whatever image they require, do make sure to go ahead and add that for yourself. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to save this image. We're going to come right over here, click on upload new. Once we click on upload new, simply go ahead and add the downloaded image that we just received. Okay. And do make sure that the image you've gotten is a JPEG image. So yeah, I think this image should work. So what you can do is you can either drag and drop the media, or you can choose it from your PC. Then we come over to the pricing. You're obviously going to keep a discrete pricing for it. So whatever it goes off for, just add that pricing. Once we have done that, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. You're going to let them know the quantity of stock that you have. And once you've done that, you're going to go with the weight of the actual product and click on save. So as you can see, this is how it's going to appear: Zoobles Pet Safari Toy Set. Now, once you have saved this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to back out over to your online store. And once we come over to our online store, right here is where we're going to have our on-page SEO ready and prepared. So we have the proper keywordings, and all you're going to need to do is you're going to make sure that the descriptions you get are also what the conversion product has provided us. And that should set you up with your on-page SEO in the easiest and most simplest way. So just come over to Google Ads, get your keywords, and start your on-page SEO right now on Shopify. Now, that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below. And I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.